दोस्तों वेलकम टू माय चैनल क्रेजी बडी। आज दो स्टॉक्स की बात करने जा रहे हैं, अजंता सोया और एराइज एग्रो के बारे में। सबसे पहले ये न्यूज़ देखते हैं। डॉली खन्ना हैज़ रेज्ड हर स्टेक इन दीज टू मल्टी बैगर स्टॉक्स इन द Q4 financial year 22। As we can see over here, Dolly Khanna has raised her stakes in Ajanta Soya from 1.11% to 1.46% and in Arise Agro from 1.28% to 1.34%। आइए अब इन दोनों स्टॉक्स को फंडामेंटली और टेक्निकली देखें। अजंता सोया की अगर बात करें तो ये वनस्पति के मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में काम करता है, साथ ही साथ बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक बिस्किट्स, पफ्स, पेस्ट्रीज़ और अदर एप्लीकेशंस बनाता है। मार्केट कैप अगर देखें तो 360 करोड़ की है। ROCE अराउंड 60.2%, ROE ऑफ 37.2% एंड डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो ऑफ 0.01। Looking at its PE ratio, currently in the last 1 year, currently the existing PE is greater than the median PE of 7.4, so it's slightly overpriced. Company has definitely reduced debt over the last few years. Quarterly results में देखें तो sales has gone on increasing continuously, though exceptionally at the September 2021 quarters and December 2021 quarters. December 2021 quarter there has been a slight decrease in the sales. Correspondingly, profit before tax, the net profit and EPS has also decreased a bit compared to the last quarter. The profit and loss statement, as we can see, the trailing 12 months sales has been much higher than the last entire year of March 2021. Coming to the compounded sales growth over the last 10 years has been at 12%, profit growth of 49% and return on equity has been at 13%. Coming to the balance sheet, as we can see over here, reserves has been continuously on the rise and currently in the September 2000 quarter has been at 91 crores. Though other liabilities has also significantly increased from 78 to 124 crores. Looking at the cash flow statement, we can see the cash flow from operating activities and is at 22 crores, cash from investing activity at minus 23 and cash from financing activity at 4. So net cash flow being positive is definitely a good sign. The debtor days, as we can see, has definitely reduced from around 14 to 15, has come down to 7 days. And definitely the company has achieved a good ROCE where it was earlier in the single digit in 9%, 18%, 24% has now increased to 60%. Looking at the shareholding pattern, promoters holding has been constant at around 46.85%, whereas the public holding at 53.15%. Let's have a look at the technical chart. Currently the stock is trading at 223.85 rupees. The relative strength RSI is at 57. To initiate a fresh buy, we can initiate a fresh buy at around 190 to 200 rupees range for the first target of around 230 rupees, whereas the second target can be around at 265 rupees. Our second company is Arise Agro. So it is engaged in the business of manufacturing micronutrients and other nutritional products for plants and animals. Looking at the market cap, 212 crores market cap, dividend yield of 0.49%, ROCE of 14.7%, ROE of 8.87% and a debt to equity ratio of 0.45. Looking at the PE currently in the last 1 year, if we look at, it has been slightly, definitely it has been overpriced. It is much above its median PE of 11 rupees. So it's currently overpriced. Let's have a look at the quarterly results. So coming to the sales, has been continuously rising. The profit before tax has definitely risen. The net profit has increased. Looking at the profit and loss statement, if you look, The trailing 12 months definitely has the sales has increased compared to the entire year of 2021. Net profit has increased correspondingly. Looking at the compounded sales growth, the last 10 years has been at 9%, the profit growth of the last 12 months at 31%, and the return on equity for the last 10 years has been at 7%. Coming to the balance sheet, if we have a look, the reserves has been on the rise, and currently for the September 2021 is at 214 crores. Cash flow statements. So cash from operating activity at 58 crores, investing activity minus 14, and cash from financing activity at minus 44. Definitely, it's though the net cash flow is showing zero, it's definitely having cash at hand. Coming to the ratios, if we have a clear look, we can see the debtor days has reduced from 256 to 143, and down to in the March 2021 it has come down to 118 days. ROCE has definitely increased over the last year from 13% to 15%. Coming to the shareholding pattern, promoter holding has been constant at around 52.66%. FIIs have recently started showing interest in the share, which is definitely a positive sign for the company. Public holding at 47.14%. आइए देखते हैं शेयर को टेक्निकल चार्ट पे. So currently the stock is trading at 163.35 rupees. RSI is at 68. We can initiate a fresh buy at around 135 rupees with a near term target of around 165 rupees for the next 6 to 12 months horizon. So definitely these two stocks, Ajanta Soya and Arise Agro, look promising and can be hold for the near term around for the 6 to 12 months period. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.